everyone. Today we are going to discuss with the divisibility rule. First, by 2. A number is divisible by 2 or not. How will we see? Suppose one number we have 1, 2, 4, 6, 2. Here, this is ones place, ones, tens, 100, 1000. What we need to see, at ones place, what is the number? It is 2. So, at ones place, if, it is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Out of these numbers, any number is there, then that number is divisible by 2. Okay. Suppose another example. Let me give another example. 5, 6, 7, 9. So this is ones place, tens, 100, 1000. Here at ones place, what do we have? We have 9. So according to the rule, at ones place, it needs to be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then only the number is divisible by 2. But here we have 9. That means this number is not divisible by 2. Understood? So how will we check? Ones place, the digits needs to be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Out of these, any of the digit, if it is there, then the number is divisible by 2. Understood? The next one. How will you check a number is divisible by 3 or not? Now, here, one example. Suppose we have a number 9923. Fine. So, 9923, what we need to do? We have to add all these digits. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 9, 5 plus 9, 14. 14 plus 9, 23. So, total is 23. 9, 9, 18, 19, 20. 20 plus 3, 23. So, is 23 divisible by 3? In 3's table, do we get 23? No, we don't get. That means this number, let us, erase all this. That means the given number 9923. 9923, this number is not divisible by 3. Okay, it is not divisible by 3. Fine. Next, how will we check a number is divisible by 4 or not? There, what we need to do, we have to see the last 2 digits. If the last 2 digits, are divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. Suppose we have got one number 5, 5, 2, 3. So what we need to see? The number formed by the last 2 digits. So last 2 digits, we have to count from right hand side. So ones and tens. So ones and tens together, which number? It is formed 23. So is 23 divisible by 4? In 4's table, do we get 23? 4, 6 are 24. We don't get 23. That means the number formed by the last 2 digits is not divisible by 4. That means the whole number 5, 5, 2, 3. Let me erase this one. 5, 5, 2, 3. The number is not divisible by 4. Next, simple. How will you check a number is divisible by 5 or not? Ones place, the digits needs to be either 0 or 5. Suppose, let me give one example. 6970. This is the number. Here, this is ones place, tens place. Now, ones place, what is the digit? Ones place, the digit is 0. So, according to the rule, ones place, if it is 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. Since it is 0 at ones place, that means 6970. This number is divisible by 5. Done. Now, next one. How will we check a number is divisible by 6 or not? Suppose we take one example, 7725. Can you see that number? 7725. It's the number. Now what is the rule? The rule is number is divisible by both 2 and 3. So this number, if it is divisible by both 2 and 3, that means the whole number is divisible by 6. Now How to check the number is divisible by 2 or not? For that, already we have learned the rule. Ones place, either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, any of these digits. So ones place, what is the digit? It's 5. None of these, that means the number is not divisible by 2. What is the rule for 3? Sum, okay, of the digits needs to be divisible by 3. Now let's see the sum here. Let's do 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 21 is divisible by 3, but 2 is not divisible. But this okay number is not divisible by 2. So that means 7725, the whole number is not divisible by 6. Why? What is the reason? The reason is the number, okay, is not divisible by both, okay, 2 and 3. It is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 3, but it is not divisible by 2. As both are not divisible by 2 and 3. 2 and 3 both not divisible. That is why the number is not divisible by 6. Next. How do we check a number is divisible by 9 or not? Okay. Sum of the digits needs to be divisible by 9. The way in 3, sum of the digits needs to be divisible by 3. Same way in 9, the sum together of the digits, it needs to be divisible by 9. Suppose, one example, let me give 9973. Okay, we have 4. Let me give 5 digits. Okay, number 5. 59973. This is the number. According to the rule, sum of the digits needs to be divisible by 9. So, let's do the sum. Okay. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 9, 28. 28 plus 5, 33. So, what is the sum of the digits? 33. So, sum of the digits needs to be divisible by 9. So, in 9's table, do we get 33? 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. We don't get 33. So, that means the sum of the digits is not divisible by 9. Therefore, this number 59973 is not divisible by 9. It's not divisible, not. Next. This is simple rule. How to check a number is divisible by 10 or not? Ones place, the digit needs to have, the number needs to have 0 at ones place. Suppose, let me give one example. It's a big number. Now, this is the ones place. So, ones place, what is the digit? One place, the digit is 4. But according to the rule says that ones place, it needs to be 0 only. This is not 0, this is ones place value. So, ones place, the number needs to be 0. But here it is 4. That means this number is not divisible by 10. Now, next. We need to check, okay, by 11. A number is divisible by 11 or not. How do you check? Difference, okay, of sum of the odd place digits and even place needs to be 0 or divisible by 11. That you will understand when we'll do. Suppose, let me give one example, one number. 2, 3, 4, 7, 5. It's a big number. It's alright, we'll do it. Big or small, we'll do it. Now, how will we check? Difference. We need to find out sum of the odd place and even place. We have to start from the right hand side. So this is odd because first place 1, then this is even, yes, odd, even, odd. Yes, right? Because this is 1, 3, 5. Odd, even, odd, even, odd. We need to find the sum of odd places. That means 2 plus 4 plus 5. 2 plus 4 plus 5. As well as we need to find the sum of even place digits also. 3 plus 7. Let's see. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Here, 7 plus 3, 10. After that, we have to find the difference. 11 minus 10, 1. The rule says it needs to be 0. That means it is not 0. Or otherwise, whatever number the difference whatever, let me write here difference. So the difference whatever we get, that number needs to be divisible by 11. If that number is divisible by 11 or the difference comes 0, then the number is divisible by 11. But here our difference we have got 1. That means this number 23475 is not divisible by 11. Let me give another example. One number 457923. We need to check whether this number is divisible by 11 or not. So how will we check? Okay, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. Why it is written odd? Because this is number 1. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. First number 1 is odd, 2 even, so and so on. So according to the rule, what we need to do? We have to find the sum of all odd places digits. That means 5 plus 9 plus 5 plus 9 plus 3. Then we need to find the sum of all even place digits. 4, this is 4 plus 7 plus 2. 4, 7, 2. What is the sum? 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. Here what is the sum? 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. After getting the sum, what we need to do? We need to find the difference. So let's see the difference. 17 minus 13. So what is the difference? 4. But the rule says it needs to be 0. If it is not 0, we have to see if whether it is divisible by 11 or not. So in 11's table, do we get 4? That means this is not divisible by 11 as well. That means the whole number, the given number, is not divisible by 11. Understood? Next one, same way, how to check a number is divisible by 15 or not. Let me give one example, one number 4, 3, 7, 5, 8, 9. The number is divisible by both 3 and 5. We have to see this number is divisible by both 3 and 5 or not. So what is the rule for 3? The rule for 3 is add the digits. Yes, add the digits. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. 19 plus 8, 27. 27 plus 9, 36. Yes, so 36. Does 36 come in 3's table? Yes, 12 3s are 36. That means the sum is divisible by 3. That means this number 4, 3, 7, 5, 8, 9. This number is divisible by 3. But we don't have to check only divisible by 3. We have to check whether it is divisible by both 3 and 5. So what is the divisibility rule? Let me erase this plus signs. Yes. Now, whether it is divisible by 5 or not. So what is the 5's rule? According to the rule, a number is divisible by 5 if at one's place, okay, the digits either 0 or 5. Here, one's place, the digit is 9. Neither 0 nor 5. That means 4, 3, 7, 5, 8, 9. This number is not divisible by 15. How to check? We have to check whether this number is divisible by both 3 and 5. According to the rule, 3's rule and 5's rule. The number is divisible by 3, but it is not divisible by 5. That means this number is not divisible by 15. Not. Next. So, what we have understood, that means we can check a number is divisible by another number by seeing the co-prime factors. Whether that number, okay, is divisible by the co-prime numbers or not, the co-prime factors. Of one example if I give, then you will understand. Suppose let me give one example. 183679. This number is divisible by 36 or not. How will we check? So first 36. So what are the factors of 36? Yes, 136 is 36, 218 is 312 is 4 9 is 36, 6 is 36, 7 stable it will not come, 8 4 is 32, 9 stable already written. So this one. So what are the factors of 36? Factors of 36, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 12, 18. We have missed this 6 one. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 12, 18, 36, and this 6 we have missed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 12, 18, 36 and 6 I have written here. So these are the factors. Factors of 36, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 18, 12, 36. These are the factors. Now out of these factors, which are the co-primes? Co-primes, numbers which have only one common factor, and that is 1. So those numbers are called as co-prime. So here 2 and 3 co-primes. 2 and 3 co-primes. So now we have to check whether this number 183679 is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Not only 2, not only 3. We have to see it needs to be divisible by both 2 and 3. So again we need to remember the rule for 2 and 3 divisibility rule. Ones place it needs to be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, any of the digit. It's not there. That means this number is not divisible by 2. 3 we need to add it. Let me put plus sign over here. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 7, 7 plus 7, 14. So that means 25. 25 plus 9, 34. Does 34 come in 3 stable? No, it doesn't come. So that means the number is not divisible 183679. This number is not divisible by the co-primes of 36, 2 and 3. None of these. So that means 183679, the number is not divisible by 36. That means 183679 is not divisible by 36 because 36 co-prime 2 and 3, the number is not divisible by neither 2 nor 3. None of these. And if 1 also is divisible, then also it is not divisible by 3 because to get it, okay, if it needs to be divisible, then it needs to be by the both of the co-primes, 2 and 3 both. So 183679 is not divisible by 36. I hope you have understood.